Michael wants to rate his food.
So let's go. So I rate the rice at 10 out of 6. A 6 out of 10. Huh?
6 out of 10.
That's rude.
Okay.
And I rate this steak a 2 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, you're brutal.
I don't like it.
I don't even know what brutal means, but I'm gonna say you're brutal. I don't even know what that means.
But the shrimp, for the shrimp, okay, it's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
At least you got something 10. Michael, you're being rude to the chef right now. If the
Mama,
chef
what's
told
your
me-
rating?
Okay, so we're gonna fork. So the rice, I rate it. The rice, I rated a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
And the shrimp, don't mind that. The shrimp, I rated a 10 out of 10.
Nice.
And the steak,
And the steak?
and
That is my steak, though.
I look like the salmon.
I will do it.
And the chicken later.
I got finished my shrimp. Cut.
Okay.
So steak, rated A. Thank you. 7 out of 10. Where's the salmon?
Oosh.
Sorry.
And then
Salmon.
the chicken?
Salmon.
Oh.
I'll finish my
The
steak
salmon?
too. I'm sorry.
You're gonna take forever.
I'm supposed to break this. I'm supposed to break
Hurry up.
this. I'm supposed to break this.
Salmon.
Are you supposed to break this? Are you supposed to break this?
8 out of 10. That's
Okay.
all the stuff. Thank you, by the way, besties.